The potting mix used is a blend of leaf mold, vermiculite, and Akadama soil medium grade in a 224 ratio. Divide the roots for replanting to avoid damaging the coffee plant's roots. Use an unglazed pot. Place a net at the bottom to prevent soil from spilling out. Spread Akadama soil at the bottom of the pot. After adding a sufficient amount of soil, plant the coffee tree. Finally, water it thoroughly to finish. I will document the coffee tree's growth in future videos. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. See the coffee tree's progress so far here. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.